Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a complete guide on how to send contacts in a community group on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on your community to access the community groups. Step 3. From the list of community groups, select the specific group in which you want to send the contacts. Simply tap on the group to enter its chat interface. Step 4. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll notice a link icon. Tap on it to access the attachment options. Step 5. From the attachment options, select the contact icon. This will allow you to choose contacts to send. Step 6. Select the desired contact or contacts from your phone's contact list. Step 7. Finally, tap on the send arrow icon to share the selected contact as in the community group. And there you have it. You've successfully sent contacts in a community group on WhatsApp. Now, you can easily share important contact information with other members. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.